KOMINKA Renovation Project. Before dismantling. KOMINKA is an old wooden building built by traditional Japanese building techniques. You can see the before and after KOMINKA's refurbishment. 360 VR video. Drag with the mouse, you can roll the view. You can see the drawing by looking down. The star mark is your current location. The arrow is the direction of the first field of view. It was built in the 1960s. No architectural drawings remain. This is 60-year-old wooden building. We renovate an unoccupied house. We will send you VR videos. Various places in the house. The images will change soon. If you want to see the same thing, please pause. After dismantling.